Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to replace our factory floor mats to the one from GALVAGNITE. So come on, let's go. Alright, so these are the floor mats. So this is what you're gonna get on the box. So I'm really excited with this one. I like the fact that they include these are door sill protectors, and it goes to the front and the back, but unfortunately I'm not gonna able to use them because I have some door seals in there in my RAV4 already. But it's nice that they included this. You just have to tape them up in there. And then the quality of these floor mats, they're made from TPE material, and they're nice, like anti-slip. So like rubbery plastic thing, they're nice. The quality on them is very nice. So again, we're gonna get the driver side, the passenger side, and the back passenger. It's gonna be fully covered. One thing also that I like is the cargo liner. So this is nice that they included this, and it also covers the back of the back seat. So that's nice. So yeah, so this is nice. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. They are, again, I see it very helpful, especially with this type of weather. Yeah, this will be helpful. It will help contain any dirt or any material that's on our shoes basically. And these are dip dish design on the passenger side and the driver side together. Also dip dish design here in the rear passenger. So again, very nice. Installing this, basic. Okay, so it is, make sure that you lock them into place to avoid the one on the driver's side sliding forward going to your pedals. So it includes this installation guide on this one. They actually suggest that you basically unroll this or unfold this, especially this one, unfold it for 1 to 2 hours under sunlight. I'm in Washington State. We don't get sunlight right now. Yeah, it's kind of cold outside. But yeah, I'm just gonna unfold it here in the garage and just let it sit here. I might not be able to put this on right now in this video because I have something in the back of my RAV4. So yeah, so let's just put this on to the vehicle. Don't really need to show you how to install this, but again, very easy. Just remove your old one and place this in. All right, so before I show you basically the final results on this one, I pulled out the one on the passenger side just to show you the comparison on this one. So the dip dish form on this one is a lot deeper compared to the one that is factory. As you see here, it is more deep compared to this one. So you get more protection on your floor, on your carpet, on this one compared to this. I'll show you the final results. All right, so here's the result. So this is the one on the passenger side. They look nice, fits very well. So yeah, and they don't slip, so they're nice. So if we can see the one here in the driver's side, let me get a light in there. So be right back. All right, so there you go. It has nice coverage and they are not slippery. They don't slip. Again, make sure that you lock and secure your floor mats to avoid them from sliding. Again, just in case. But again, this one, they look nice, great coverage. Let me show you the one here in the back. All right, so the one here in the back, it fits well. It just needs some time probably just to unfold and settle, because on this side it's not really sticking in there because it is lifted there in the middle. So again, we just need to wait for it. No one really sits here in the back that much, so we will give some time for this one out to settle and fits well. Again, on the other side there, no issue at all. So yeah. So again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. So again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.